what's up? This is Jane, and today's video I am going to create a Java program using Eclipse that will ask a user to input three numbers and print out the greatest number using a conditional statement and a comparison operators. So let's get started. First, let's write the output statement. By the way, this is a programming code that giving instruction to the computer to print out something. So let's write the system out print line, then the opening and closing parentheses. Inside of it will be the double quotation or the string. This is like asking the user to input his first number, so we will write enter your first number. This message is going to be the first text that the user is going to see in the screen. After that, I am going to write the appropriate code to allow the user to enter the value or something, whatever the user enter the value here, it will be executed by executing this code. So let's say int and his variable name x equals scan. Scan is the name of our variable, our object right up here in the scanner scan, and then the next int. It is because we are using a type of integer, that's why we write it here and declare it. So right now we still need a two output statement, so let's write another one. We will also write another text saying enter your second number. This is to prompt the user to enter another value. And then let's write another data type integer but with a different variable name, which is y, equals to scan next int. Same goes right here but with a different variable and statement. This time it would be enter your third number, and the variable name would be z. So right now, we already have our three output statement with the different variable names. Let's write now then the conditional statement and comparison operators. So let's start off if statement. So let's say if x is greater than y, when this statement is true, it means that x is greater than y. However, we still need to check if x is greater than z to declare it as the largest number. So inside of if, I'm going to declare one more if statement. So let's say if x is greater than z, that then I can very sure since x is greater than y, this outer if will be executed. And if x is greater than z, then it means that this is the greatest number. And as well, you will write the plus x. But what if y is greater than x? So let's try to make another if statement. So now I'm checking if y is greater than x. If this statement is true, but I still need to check if y is greater than z. So let's say, let's write if y is greater than z, then let's print out the system out print. If y is greater than z, then this is the largest number. And lastly, if both of these statements is false, then that means z is the largest number. And now let's save it and run it. So as you can see, it worked. Let's try it. So here, let's say 12 for the first number. For the second, let's write 11. And for the last one, let's say 4. Then click enter. And there you go. Our largest number is 12. And that's it. I hope this code solve the problem. So thank you for watching.